Yo, my people, good morning, good morning. This is your boy KENSTAN Adam. Thank you so much for joining to my subscribe. Hey, to my subscribe gang. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. Please join my subscription gang. So today I'm going to show you just a quick one, a short video. This will be just too short. So I just bought a bread. So I'm going to make some breadcrumbs using it, and that is using natural source of light, that is the sun. So let's go and see. In a sunbask tu hapa nje. So there is the sun. So just a quick one. So this is the bread. Simple thing. Just crushing to make some fine breadcrumbs. So this process called sun drying, whereby you just use the natural light. The natural light. So this may cost only 30 bob. This is a half a bread inakwanga 7 pieces. Now imagine you are going to produce 250 grams of breadcrumbs just by using your hand and 30 bob, crushing them down. So when you are back at home, you want to fry your chicken, a simple way: dry your bread, then crush them, then you can use them for coating. That is all for today. Thank you so much. Let's catch up in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.